Hey loves, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm sharing one of my favorite Korean beauty secrets, how to create a soft, natural and glowing eye look using just one eyeshadow palette. No eyeliner, no mascara, no complicated tools, just one palette that does it all. Let's start with the base. Use a fluffy brush and take a soft mid-tone shade. Gently blend it across your entire eyelid, from the inner corner to the outer edge. This step adds a little warmth and natural depth to your eyes, and already makes them look more awake and dimensional. Make sure to blend in small circles. The smoother the transition, the more natural it looks. Now, let's build a little more definition. Take a slightly darker shade and focus it on the outer half of your eyelid. Blend it upward toward your crease to lift the eye shape. This is a classic K-beauty trick. Instead of making the eyes darker, we create a soft gradient that makes them look youthful and bright. It's subtle, but it changes everything. Next, it's time for eyeliner, but without the actual eyeliner. Using a thin, angled brush, dip into the darkest shade of the palette. Start at the outer corner of your eye and draw a thin, soft line along your lash line. Don't worry about being too perfect. The beauty of this technique is that it's forgiving and blends seamlessly. It gives you that diffused eyeliner look that's so popular in Korea right now. You can even extend the tail just a little bit for a more lifted effect. And if you want your eyes to look rounder, focus the colour closer to the centre of your lash line instead. Small tweaks make a huge difference. Experiment to find what flatters your eyes best. Now, here comes one of my favourite hacks. Take the same dark shade and with a small brush or even a cotton swab, gently press the colour right into your lash roots. You don't have to go heavy, just a touch adds volume and makes your lashes look naturally thicker. This technique is perfect if you want that no mascara, clean girl aesthetic. It looks effortless but refined, like your eyes are naturally defined. If you prefer a little extra sparkle, take a shimmer shade or a soft champagne tone from the palette and lightly dab it on the centre of your eyelid. This catches the light beautifully, especially during the day. Then add just a hint of highlight to your inner corners. It instantly brightens your eyes and makes you look more awake. To finish, take a clean brush and gently blend everything one more time. No harsh lines, just smooth, seamless transitions. And that's it! Your entire eye makeup look using just one palette. This palette is one of my personal must-haves. It's versatile, travel-friendly, and the texture is honestly so buttery and easy to use. Perfect for beginners, students, or anyone who loves that everyday soft glam look. If you want to try it yourself, you can find the exact palette I used through the Amazon link below. I'll also list a few of my other K-beauty favourites that pair perfectly with this look. Remember, it doesn't take a lot of products to look put together. Sometimes it's just about knowing how to use what you already have. And with this one palette, you can create endless looks, from natural to night out glam. So go ahead, give it a try, and let me know in the comments how it turns out for you. Thanks for watching, loves. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and check the Amazon link below to grab your K-beauty must-haves. See you in the next one. Bye!